Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets were so trending, right? As I said, tomorrow markets could be very trending and be ready for that, right? And as you guys can see, exactly from the level that I said, if we go below this level, then we can see a very trending market. And pretty much in the first candle itself, right? Markets went down, took a little bit of pullback. You would have gotten another chance of entry even over here, and then from there just see such a clean rally on the downside, right? Sure, I think at this point the premiums kind of really dipped over here, the put premiums, but pretty much they recovered, right? They pretty much recovered. And if you see, just such a great rally, right? All our targets hit, and it was a very easy day even for me. Anyways, in Nifty also, as you can see, what happened in Nifty was that Nifty gave a breakout failure in the first half, right? As I said that if you open with a gap up, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade if we cross the 15-minute candles high, right? And we did cross, and if you would have taken a trade, your stop loss would have gotten it. But if you see, if you would have noticed one thing, I always say that whenever there is a breakout failure, we can expect a very good, kind of a sell off, right? And if you see, there was a breakout failure. So you should have kind of, taken some sort of a note over here that okay, the breakout is failing over here, and that's when you should have gone ahead and taken a short position over here. And from there, Nifty also just moving down pretty much throughout the rest of the day. In the end, you would have gotten a trade even below 18,700, but that pretty much I think closed, I think if I'm not wrong, the premium kind of closed pretty much at your buying price, so you wouldn't have gotten much of a trade over here. So tomorrow, what can we expect? Is the rally gonna continue? So if you see in Bank Nifty, I'm gonna go to the 1 hour charts, and Bank Nifty has pretty much crossed all the resistances, right? Oh, sorry, all the supports. And now there is only one support of 43,400, and Bank Nifty has exactly closed on the support. So tomorrow, if we go down below 43,400, we can expect another move till 43,000 also. Maybe not tomorrow itself that move might come, but yeah, we can expect 43,000. Our next target could be 43,000. So tomorrow, after opening flat or with a small gap of somewhere near even 43,500 on all these levels, you can go ahead and take a short position over here below 43,400 on the downside, right? Your first target will be 43,200, and your second target will be 43,000 on the downside. Maybe 43,000 might not come tomorrow itself, but I think we can expect 43,200 easily on the downside. If we open with a gap down, we pretty much will not do anything. One trade that you can get if you open with a gap down is a gap filling trade, right? So what you can do is wait for the first 5-minute candle. Once the first 5-minute candle is made and the high is broken, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 43,380 to 400, right? Because once this gap is filled, then we can expect another move on the downside, right? But keep your quantity less because we are taking a trade against the trend, right? So keep your quantity less on the downside, right? So yeah, talking, if you open with a gap up, with a very big gap up somewhere near 43,700, 800, all these levels, or even 43,600, right? Anything above 43,600, you can, I think, then we can expect a volatile to sideways market tomorrow, because what will happen is that a lot of sellers will also get trapped and market will pretty much be in a range, right? So that's why then that is when we will not take any sort of a trade over here, right? In Nifty, if you see, also, yeah, in Bank Nifty, if you see, right, in the first candle, we crossed over here, and I also took a short position over here. If you see, I shorted the 43,800 call exactly in the first minute over here. Yeah, over here in at 9:15, I shorted 43,800 call at 215, and I exited it at 60 rupees when I got pretty much my target, right? My target was 50 rupees, but I was like, okay, you know what, let's just exit at 60 rupees. So I kind of aim somewhere near like 60 to 70 rupees of range. Anyways, I got a very good profit in just 2 hours, right? If you see, 3,900 rupees on one lot. And you can also do that. My stop loss was just of 30 rupees when I entered over here, because if the selling had to happen, right, markets will not go up a lot. If the selling has to be aggressive, the markets will move down very fast. And as soon as we cross 43,960, I went ahead and took a short position in that call, right? Anyways, talking about Nifty, if we see Nifty also showing a breakout failure in the daily charts, right? Nifty was about to break out over here, and Nifty also kind of broke out above this range. But if you see, pretty much Nifty has also made a very good red candle over here, and we can also expect Nifty to move down till at least 18,500 to 550 levels in the coming days. Maybe not tomorrow itself, because already a lot of momentum, I mean, not so much in Nifty, but already a lot of momentum has happened in Bank Nifty. So we may see 43,500 to 550 in the coming days over here, right? So tomorrow what you can do is very simple. Below 18,670 is where you can go ahead and take a short position. Your target will be 18,630 to 625, right? Because this is the gap that needs to be filled. So markets might go down till here first, then kind of consolidate over here for some time. If you want to, you can go ahead and book your positions with a 30-point gain at 18,640 also. But I would recommend kind of holding your positions once the gap is filled at 18,620. Then you can exit all of your positions. And then what could happen is that market may take a little bit of pullback over here and then continue its rally down till 18,500, lower levels of 18,500. So that's if you open with a if you open flat, right? If you open with a gap down, then we will do nothing in Nifty. Why do I say so? Is because there are multiple supports on the downside. So it really does not make sense until there is a clear range that the market can move into, right? If you open with a gap down, then again same thing you can also do with Nifty, is that you can wait for the first 5-minute candle. Once the high of that 5-minute candle is broken, you can go ahead and take a trade till 80,670 on the upside, and then maybe we might continue our move on the downside, right? But make sure that if you're taking this trade, right, that I said of gap filling trade, then make sure that your risk to reward is good, and do not keep your quantity very big over here, right? Again, if you open with a gap up somewhere near 18,740, 750, all these levels, anything above 18,720, and we can expect the markets to be pretty much sideways, right? We can expect the market to be pretty much sideways in this range, and then we'll need to see how things close, how the markets close tomorrow, and then we can see what we can do on Monday, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you would have captured this great move. Anyways, even if you did not capture any of this move, it's all right. I've also kind of I've also, you know, like I've also lost a lot of moves, and I have also not been able to capture these moves in my initial days. But still, if you just kind of, you know, just look at the markets, right? Even if you do not trade and just look at the markets for a long time, you will be able to one day go ahead and successfully capture all of these moves, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.